Number one, you just have to attend the Royal Business Presentation. Ito po yung presentation na to. Pagkatapos ng buong presentation na to, at naging interesado ka, then you just have to fill out a distributor application form. From filling out the distributor application form, you can choose from being, pwede ka pumili, from being a direct seller. Pwede ka maging direct seller lang. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao mahilig na magbenta-benta, di ba? Then of course, direct seller, 500 pesos lang naman yung registration dyan, may kapalit ng dalawang produkto. Isang sabon at isang beverage. Mamimili ka kung anong sabon at kung anong beverages. Palakpakan natin. As a direct seller, you pay 500 pesos, may libreng isang sabon at isang kape plus isang libreng brochure na rin. Plus may ID ka na dyan at retailer's ID. Ako, ano? Ito yung retailing business. Pero syempre naman mga kaibigan, kung gusto natin ng malakihang kitaan talaga, syempre, you don't like just to be a direct seller. Dito po, 500 pesos na direct seller ka na. Pero, kung gusto mo ng wholesaler ka, gusto mo talaga maging distributor for you to avail all the privileges of Royal, then I would suggest, okay, anyway, once naging direct seller ka pala, you now enjoy 10% discount sa lahat ng produkto. Palakpakan naman natin. Of course, hindi lang naman yung pagiging direct seller ang mas maganda. May mas maganda po dito, which is, you have to avail the privilege to purchase account. Kailangan maging distributor ka para ma-enjoy mo yung full discount at full privilege. Naintindihan? Yes. Na paano ako makakakuha ng PTP or privilege to purchase account? Kailangan distributor ka. And you have to complete 150 points. Yung negosyo kasi ng Royal, point system. Bawat produkto, may katumbas na points yan. Nakakuha nyo? Pili ka ng kape, may points yan. Sabon, may points yan. Lotion, may points yan. Until such time, patingin-tingin, naipon mo, at in 1 year time, distributor ka. Although, mapapamahal ka talaga at mapapatagal ka pag titingin-tingin mo. Kasi maliliit lang po talaga ang points ng bawat product.
Tama.
That is why gumawa ang Royal ng product package. Yung product package na yan, any of those packages na pipiliin mo, okay, automatic, you can now be a distributor at meron ka ng privilege to purchase account. Now, as you can see, meron tayong 4 packages na pwede mo pagpilian na iba't ibang packages, may iba't ibang features ng kitaan. From left to right, mas dumadami, mas gumaganda yung kitaan habang tumatagal yan. Nakuha nyo? Okay, meron tayo, we have the Neo package, we have the starter package, we have the business package, and we have the elite package. Alright, simulan muna natin yung Neo. Ano ba yung Neo package na to? Yung Neo package, mga kapatid, okay, meron po siyang 3 sets of packages na pwedeng piliin ng tao. Yung Neo package, okay, eto po yung set niya.
Wow! Wow!
Okay. Set A has a product worth of 4,170. Set B has a product worth of 4,224. Set C has a product worth of 4,130 pesos. Product worth lang po yan, halaga lang. Pero ang maganda po, kahit ano ang piliin mo dyan sa package na yan, ang presyo lang po niyan ay mabibili mo lang sa halagang...
Ay, grabe!
I'm sure everyone has 3,950. Diba? Okay, naman kapatid, po, ano naman ang privileges mo for getting the Neo package? Ang maganda po doon, once na nagkaroon ka na ng Neo package, okay, good news, you are now entitled to a discount of up to 30% sa mga produkto. Okay, listen. Plus, okay, meron ka tinatawag na virtual office or independent distributor tracking center. Bibigyan ka na rin ng distributor tracking center. Tsaka mo makikita lahat ng transactions mo from all over the world. Remember, ang market mo hindi lang Pampanga, hanggang ibang bansa yan. Ang daling mag-market because of social technology, because of social media, technology. Yung mga friends natin sa Facebook na hindi natin nakikita, nasa Japan, Australia, Di ba? Kung pwede na natin silang i-market. Ang maganda doon, what if, for example, bumili ka ng package dito sa Pilipinas, tapos may kaibigan ka nasa Dubai, doon siya bumili ng package sa Dubai. Yung binili niya yun, dahil ikaw ang nag-refer, mayroon kang referral fee doon. At lahat ng mga nagme-member sa kanya doon, bumibili ng package, meron ka rin kinikita doon. Nakuha nyo? Lahat yan makikita nyo through the virtual office. Everything will be accounted and recorded. Do you understand?
Yes!
And of course, kasama na rin yung ibang mga materials, may brochure at saka application form. Nakuha nyo?
Yes.
Okay, now, let's move on. Okay, yun yung package. Let's move on muna tayo. Kasi tumatagal yung mas maganda ang mga features na kikita. Example, ito po yung ating price list. Okay? This is the price list na makukuha mo na dyan pag nag-member ka. Okay, pag-usapan po natin the starter packages. Okay, ano yung starter package?